Apple, new high a day. You're already 50% out of the trade. Let's review Apple now. Listen to the sound of my voice. Listen to the sound right now, right here, 20%. Yes? Hey, talk.
Yes, sir.
I'm talking to you. The reason is we went up, up, up. You see where this candle went? You see it? Don't like it. Take some off. I don't care if it continues to climb. You take some off of that and then let it do its thing. You can also see we had a change here, right? Anytime we start to see a change, we had run up. Now we got this little diamond peak. See it? Just let it do its thing. Take some money off. Get comfortable with doing that. Who has the highest percentage on a contract for Apple right now? I'm just curious what the percentage is to be up.
125% so far.
125%. You see why we lock in? We lock in as we go. We lock in on the pullbacks, right?
181%. I just made my first comma in 2 years on a $3,000 account by being an Apple chat, and I'm shaking.
Did you guys hear that? That is 33%. That is over $1,000 on a $3,000 cash account being inside of the Apple chat. Did everybody see why we shed some right there on that last one on Apple? Right there was 50. Right there I said, and do you see how you guys were able to collect at the peak right when I said it? And then we're just getting this pullback, but you paid for it right there, didn't you? Now you guys are out 70%, all profit, 30% still left to run. Make sense?